G'day everyone. I just wanted to address something that popped up in the Discord before. I was going to address this in a text, but it might actually be easier to address it in a quick video. I'll post this in the tipping channel or wherever in the Discord. Now, Dagger, this is not a personal attack or anything. Just for the record, if anyone doesn't understand something or is struggling to understand something, I know in the past we've kind of called out people talking about days and short-term results and stuff like that, but it's very clear that there's a bit of confusion here with the way he's following. So, I mean, feel free to call out things like that, but we don't want someone to just feel like they're not welcome in the community or they're not, I don't know, they're being put down or something like that. So make sure we don't do that. But Dagger, what I just wanted to say before I get on to the actual addressing what you've said here, definitely book a free call as Tom's pointed out here. Please do book one because we need to address, if anything you've been confused about, because if you're losing money following the horse system, something's definitely wrong. Especially saying that you have lost most of your bankroll. That completely does not make any sense to us, given the trajectory of the graph, as you can see. So what I wanted to address specifically was this. Gone from 90 to 76 in a few weeks, and I believe this is coming from the fact that you've seen the horse system tipping channel here, and it's basically saying that exactly a month ago, so we're on October 5, I'm going to scroll all the way up to September 5-ish, and I can see even higher. Let's go to where it said around about 90. So you got 87 here, 90, 92. So that's probably what you've seen there, right? So that's on August 24. Now, that's here, right? If you scroll down to the bottom, what I want to point out is if you go to the graph, August 24, what that actually is doing is, it's going to be hard to show you on here because I need to go to the exact moment this happens. But if we find August 24 on this graph, on this spreadsheet, here we go, August 24, right? Scroll to the bottom of that. That's where we are on August 24. Now, if you go back exactly 3 months, so we're going to go to July, June, May 24, that is where that is talking about. So May 24 would be there, and we're going to total that. There's your 91.5, which is your 92, right? So this here is the total of the last 3 months on that date. So on August 24, in the tipping channel, we've said the last 3 months are 92 units in profit. The last 6 months, so we'd actually go to Feb 24, so we're going to shift all the way up to Feb 24. That's March, Feb 24, Feb 24. At the end of Feb 24, it's going to be around about here. 144 units, 151. I believe we wouldn't have included the same day, so we don't include that day and we go to here. 151, perfect. That's what that would have been because it's not inclusive of the 24th. And then if you go 12 months, again, that would have been all the way back up to August 24 last year. I know you probably understand this by now if you've worked it out, but I do want to show it for the people who still don't get this. August 24, it's going to be August 25 we're going to go to, so August 23 doesn't count. 270 units. Bang. And then obviously lifelong's 1192. So from the time here of 1192, in the last month, not that we look at months, you literally can see the total. If you go to today, we're now 1230. So from that's a 38 unit in the last however long. But going to here, you've seen 76 and you've said that we've lost 14 units. That's what you've thought. Now, all that's done is it's gone back to the time we are right now. And everyone can access this spreadsheet, by the way. And we are sitting here at 1229, right? Now, I think he said this like, maybe like here or something, but it's irrelevant. Plus 76, okay? You're literally going to go 3 months from now, from back, sorry. So 5th of October is going to be September, August, July. So 5th of July is going to be the last 3 months. And we're going to include all of that, plus 76 units. So in the last 3 months, plus 76 units, again, we're going to go back to April, 5th of April. That would be the last 6 months. That's literally up to there, plus 151, which is that. And then don't even have to show you all the way back to 5th of October. In fact, I will show you. That would be 272 units. If we go all the way 5th of October, all the way to here, 280 units, 279, and then 1,230 units. So this graph is on this linear trajectory like it's been on for now almost 4 years. We started this on December 16, 2020, right here. And since then, we've literally tipped, I reckon, 9,000 tips or so, maybe a bit less. 9,000 tips, and that is equated to 1,229 units profit. There was a video that was posted in the horse system, in your members section, in the last week, in the last month, where we updated the course content. And I don't reckon you've seen it yet. Because if you are saying that and anyone else is thinking this, you need to watch these 2 videos. There was another comment today about a day. Delete days. Delete them from your vocabulary. Delete them from your focus. This video here, it's going to look different to you when you log in, but you need to watch this video. There is also another video that talks about how the horse system cannot lose in the long term. And we haven't posted about this. We've expected that you guys watched it. I literally walk through this, and if you watch this video, I promise you, you will never ever think about the horse system ever getting to zero. There's a couple of things discussed in this that you need to understand. If you have not watched the updated videos, please watch them because it's crucial. It'll completely change the way you think, especially if you've been here for like 2 years or a year or 9 months and you haven't seen the new videos. We actually should have addressed this in the tipping channel, and that is that people need to go and watch these videos. So, yeah, that's it. If you have watched this, send an uptrend graph into. Actually, no, there might be. Tom's already beat me to the code, so don't. In fact, if you have watched this one, in the horse system members only chat, I want you to put an up graph if you watch this video, just because I don't want to confuse people who have watched or listened to Tom's voice message in the channel. But please, if you haven't watched those videos, watch them. It'll take you less than an hour. We updated them all. They're completely different. They address some really crucial concepts that potentially even some of you older subscribers haven't seen. We dumb it down. We make it easier to follow. It's brand new content. It should be easy to understand. So even if it's just a refresher for your brain. But yeah, I just wanted to address that dagger. And for anyone else who's confused, you can access this. I'm pretty sure you can access this. I've got to go on a different website because I'm logged into the actual course instead of, here we go. I'll just get off the website.
Right now you fall into one of two categories. You're sick of losing on the punt, or you...
Okay, and then we're going to go to horse system. And then if you click this, it'll take you literally to that spreadsheet that I was just on. But please watch the videos, because if you haven't watched them, you're going to be like wasting energy and time on things that you shouldn't be wasting energy and time on. Anyway, send that code word into the horse system. Don't send it into this one. Send it into the horse system members only chat, and we'll go from there. I'm going to be posting this video in the Saturday, Wednesday chat. In fact, I'm going to put it in announcements. But yeah, chuck your code word in horse system members. Cheers.